Hi, this is Olga. In this video we will learn how to create table view, and it will be dynamic table view. For that we need to add a view controller. As we talked before, view controller is a simple controller which is a base of every iOS screen. So we need to add a view controller, and after that we are going to add table view on it. We go to the components, select table view and drag it on our controller. And after we add, we can see what is the difference between table view on view controller and table view controller. As you may remember, previous week we made static view controller with table view controller. And the main difference are properties that they have. Table view controller has its own properties. View controller has standard view controller's properties, and we need to add, for example, its own table view cells. While in table view controller we have some embedded, so we can go to components and add table view cell on our table view controller where may be different. But the main difference that from table view controller you can make static table view, which is made from storyboard, and from view controller with table view you cannot do so. But anyway, usually we use view controller with table view because it is more convenient, because we can add something on the top of the screen or maybe on the bottom of screen, and it is always useful, more useful than static thing. Thank you for your attention, and now you can try to create your own controller on storyboard, and we continue soon.